Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm Brandt Passalacqua, Director of Breathing Deeply Yoga Therapy. We train yoga therapists, and I am here today with Sophie and Bill. Sophie is a yoga therapist who is certified from our program, and Bill is one of her clients. And we thought it would be nice to just give you a quick overview of what Bill came in for to work with and what happened, because it's kind of an interesting case, and I'm sure it applies to other people. So thank you both for being here. Appreciate it. So, Bill, can you tell us what was bothering you when you found Sophie to work with?
I've had issues with balance, and I want to be specific. I have a history of vertigo, the spinning, which many people are familiar with. And that has been resolved with other means. But I was specifically having pretty severe issues with balance, severe enough that my physician ordered an MRI of my brain and other testing. But they kind of like said, okay, well, you don't have a tumor, you're on your own. So that's, and a friend of mine said, well, I think Sophie can help you with a different kind of therapy. And so that's
Okay.
how I arrived.
And so you were having vertigo. Had you been sick, or have there been any sort of precursor, or
Well, I didn't think of it until Sophie kind of suggested, in getting my history. I did have a pretty severe bout of COVID at some point in time before the balance. I hadn't put the two together, but that is possible.
hard to exactly know, but so you had COVID, you've had balance issues before, and then and vertigo issues, and now you have vertigo again. So you decided to give yoga therapy a try.
Actually, again, not vertigo, actual balance. It's a different with
Actual balance.
vertigo is
Oh,
like the
okay.
world spins around. Balance, like
Yeah.
I couldn't walk a straight line. I
Oh,
was
so you
like
have like,
walking like a drunk person.
right, right. And how long had that persisted when you first saw Sophie? Like how long had it been going on?
It had been going on a few months.
A few months. Okay. So I'm sure that was scary and unpleasant. So Sophie, what did you decide to offer him? How did you figure out, well, not how did you figure out what to do? Because I know that because, we go to the same school. What did you decide to offer him? How did you start?
So I start with the balancing sequence and techniques. So I think, Bill, first we tried the very simple alternate nostril breathing, and you were doing this every day, plus the sequence with very easy exercise, just like cross body breathing from one foot and up to the crown of the head. And so a lot of crossing like that. It could be standing. We start on the floor, I think, in the sequence. But it was a very easy sequence and really focusing on the breathing and the inhale from one point to another one and the exhale, the opposite, in fact. And
So, so you're thinking cross body with his brain, and you've got these other breathing practices that are right and left,
yeah.
and you're giving that a try. And so how long did that take you, Bill? Like per day or week? What was that like
The,
to
the
practice?
It was very, 15 minutes perhaps.
And I'm going to assume that it wasn't a miracle and you didn't get better in one day. So how long did you do that for?
Well, I did it faithfully for at least 2 months. I mean, every day. No, didn't miss a single day. But then after, at some point in time, I sort of transitioned and modified my daily routine to with those same thoughts, the cross body, using some of the same maneuvers or modifications of those same maneuvers. So I'm actually still doing some of them, but I haven't had balance issues quite a period of time.
So when did the balance issues disappear in this
So,
process?
and they didn't disappear with a flip of a switch.
Right.
Fairly quickly, I noticed some, I mean, within a week or two for sure, I noticed some definite change. I noticed some change quickly, but I wasn't sure. Well, is it the maneuvers or, something else? But
Right.
then it became quite obvious it was the maneuvers, and within a couple of weeks. And then I still had some issues, but within, 2 months, I think it was, Sophie. You probably,
Yeah.
I didn't, yeah, about then I was like, wow, I'm good. I'm
So you
really
saw a
good.
steady improvement from like that 2 week period. You're doing this moving and breathing across your body and these breathing practices. And so you see 2 weeks, you realize it's actually working, or it seems to be. And then it just kind of keeps on a line, kind of keeps getting better for you. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Oh, wow. And had you ever done anything like this before?
Not this. This is something distinctly different. However, I have done physical yoga practices. I've done balance work and been given balance. I'll go ahead and mention a key difference. The balance work I'd done in the past was, okay, put yourself in a position of imbalance, like a warrior three pose. Hold that pose. Focus
Right.
on a point. It didn't include like the breathing and the work with the mind. So that's a different way. Focus on and get the mind to readjust and learn how to balance you again. That was the
Yeah.
distinct.
Yeah. I remember because this was in our practicum and I remember talking to Sophie about it and we were trying to figure out, well, whenever you get somebody who's already done yoga, you don't want to do the same things they're already doing, right? You're not going to say, well, balance on your right foot to somebody who can't balance on their right foot, especially if you're feeling it just walking around. So I think what's so remarkable to me is kind of the amount you did and the speed at which it worked. So, I just wanted people to hear this story because, it's really interesting. People suffer with stuff like this for months and months or years and years. I've definitely had clients who came in not able to balance and that had been a 5 or 6 year progression. So I'm kind of curious, were you surprised that it worked, Bill? Or were you like, oh, I took my medicine and it worked and there it is. Like
Well, I entered with an open mind going, oh, maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, and it's not going to hurt. And I felt that it would work. I was surprised how well it worked and how quickly it worked and like with my vertigo in the past, it would go away and come back and go away.
Yeah.
Well, my balance problems have gone away and they to date have not come back. I mean, I am continuing some efforts, but I am a little surprised just how well and completely and thoroughly the measures work.
Amazing. Were you surprised, Sophie, at the speed of this?
Yeah, in fact, but I remember the first 2 weeks you told me, yeah, it's not clear. I don't see so much improvement. And then the day after this meeting, you realize that there was an improvement. So in fact, I think if I remember correctly, it's already after 2 weeks that you felt some improvement. So for me, it was very, very quick. I was very surprised. And one thing I can add also at the week 3, we add the practice of prana nidra. And you
Yes.
said that you enjoyed it. And you've done 4 times a week.
Yes,
prana-
and I'm still doing that. I did it
Okay.
last night because I've also done nidra in the past. This is a little different nidra, and I really enjoy it.
And in a similar concept where you're breathing in and out of limbs and sort of moving your mind in different ways across your body.
Yes.
So reinforcing all of that. Well, I just got to say, first of all, I'm so happy you got better. I mean, that's always the best part. To see somebody kind of take agency over their issue and do something about it, that's totally different is amazing. And Sophie, you definitely kind of nailed the practices. So I'm hoping if people hear this and they're suffering from something similar, but even if you're just suffering from something that seems a little bit unsolvable to you, this is just kind of a shout out that you should talk to one of our yoga therapists. You can find us at breathingdeeply.com or at breathingdeeply.com/wellness, where we have a wellness program, and we can definitely get you connected with the help you need. Thank you both for sharing. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Bill,
Have a
for
lovely day.
good play.
You're welcome. I'm happy.